What's going on, guys? Welcome along to another video, and today a little bit different. Me and Zoe have both come out for a little camping trip, but that's not what today's video is about. If you want to see that video, you're gonna have to subscribe to the channel because that will be dropping very soon. But today is all about us being on the hunt for gluten-free donuts. Yep, that's right, we've done a gluten-free fish and chip hunt. Today's the donut hunt for this one.
We're going on an adventure.
Oi, oi, oi. Oh,
I've never been so pleased to just get riding. Oh,
my bike's only showing 18 degrees. I think it feels like
it lies.
It's like 30 degrees easily.
I reckon that's a gross exaggeration. So my sweet cheeks, how did you sleep?
Delightful, because I've got a lovely Kilos sleeping mat. I've got a lovely Kilos pillow and a nice Rab DOS bag.
How lovely for you. How did I sleep, you ask? Oh, well, thank you so much for asking. Well, you see, the excuse of a roll mat I had underneath me was more akin to a piece of cardboard than, you know, a comfortable sleepwear piece of sleeping equipment apparatus, which kept on slipping out from underneath me. So I spent most of the night on the floor, and then the pillow was like a piece of cotton ball, little cotton wool. That was it. Ineffective. And the sleeping bag, chilly.
Now, in my defence, your roll mat is what I had. I bought that, and I slept on it, what, 4, maybe 5 times. And yeah, and that's why I upgraded, because I knew it wasn't good enough for my structure. So I thought it'd be okay for you and yours. Alas, it wasn't.
Thanks.
You're welcome. And I used to use that pillow. We got the same one.
I know that pillow was a waste of money.
My pillow, on the other hand, bloody worth it.
Yes. Well, I did notice that when you very sweetly at 5:30 this morning swapped over with me, so I could get a little shut eye.
Exactly.
Which I'm very grateful for, because otherwise no amount of coffee and donuts would have.
You'd be going home.
Kept the rage at bay.
Well, luckily, if you did decide to go home, I wouldn't need you or your bike to carry anything.
What about your Jesuit sandals?
Put them in my bum pouch. Stephen, that's the first time you've seen the Lone Rider tent before, but you've not really appreciated it because you just visited. But you've now set it up and you've stayed in it. What's your thoughts on the Lone Rider motor tent?
Oh, it's very impressive. Very impressive. I'm like, that's huge to be able to fit into that very small bag. And the fact that you don't have to like set anything up inside, you don't have to hook any of your inners in. 3 poles, is that it?
Yeah. If you don't want the 3 poles.
That's very impressive, and I like the pocket space.
Chinese takeaway.
Chinese Alan. And plenty of room for both of us in there, and a better roll mat. I'm impressed. I like it. I can understand, obviously, like, you've got space for your bike if you're on your own, well enclosed. Have you tried to get the GSA in?
Yeah, I slept with it when I've done my.
Oh, did you get the GSA
in? Yeah.
Oh, because I watched the video. Sorry, yes, now I remember.
Yeah, like the panniers are on, GSA's in, and I like it because then I can stand up and get changed inside.
Yes. That is a nice feature. Nothing worse than trying to get some trousers on when you're lying inside your tent.
In regards to our on the hunt for gluten-free donut, what is Charlie's? What does it do? What does he do?
Oh, it's Q&A time. Charlie's is a haven for fellow celiac folk. It does vegan as well, and dairy-free, I believe. Oh wait, I guess that is vegan. Like a gem of a place. Mike, I assume owner and baker, does magic. If you're gluten-free, you know it's very hard to come by a decent gluten-free donut. If you even manage to locate any gluten-free donut, and he does it to perfection. It's lovely. I don't think I could ever get bored of going to Charlie's.
Well, the good thing is he does different ones, doesn't he? He's not like he just does jam donuts and that's it.
Yeah.
Like.
Although jam is my favourite because I'm a classic gal.
Yeah, we've seen what? Jam, a normal sugar ring donut,
Yeah.
a pistachio donut.
He does like fun glazes on top of some of them. Today there's an eclair donut. I don't really know what's the eclair bit of a chocolate eclair. Cream? Does the eclair mean something? I'm sure it means something in French.
What was the other one we went there to get? It wasn't an eclair, was it?
Oh, like a jam split. The jam split was
For reference, for you guys out there, this shop is 2 hours from our house, and probably every month, maybe every 2 months, we go there just for some donuts.
You're the best, Matthew. You're so dreamy. Thank you. He does savoury stuff too. I've had pizza there, like loaded, like nachos. He does like his own Branston pickle. Oh, God. All the things you didn't realise had bits of gluten in it. Ugh.
It's about an hour away from the campsite. So I will leave a link for the campsite in the description box below, but more importantly, we'll leave a link for Charlie's in the description box below. So if you're in the area of Somerset, Devon, Cornwall, come check it out. Oh, I can smell that tractor. Oh yes. You know you're in the countryside now, don't you?
Smells a bit like your sleeping bag.
I think we can both agree that you demolished that sleeper bag this morning. You're only in it for 3 hours. Need a new liner. Am I lying?
Yes.
No. Absolutely not. The viewers know I'm telling the truth. Especially Mark.
Thank you for my delicious bacon sarnie this morning. Not on a bloody corner.
Traction's on. It won't do a proper wheelie, look. That cuts it off.
That's good.
That's not me.
Well done, BMW.
That's BMW, fool. Going no. Naughty.
If only you knew some German.
I don't.
Look at me with my motorhome. We're such delightful people.
Just jealous. Yeah, it is Asda.
Oh, it looks kind of busy that way.
Thank you, sir. Always nice.
That's good, man. Lucky too, really, because I wasn't paying attention and I nearly went into the back of you. Now, the question is, did they arrest him or got a firearms unit? Probably someone with a weapon. Bit dramatic. Bit dramatic for Barnstable. Just give the people what they want. Donuts.
If it gets easier filming in public. But we are down Costa del Barnstable at the water's edge. More importantly, we're here for a Charlie's donut. Gluten-free, of course. Oh.
What? He only gives you a half-eaten donut?
He gives you a half-eaten donut. Yeah, look at that. See, it's not just me who causes the camera problems. This guy, he also does. So this is our second taste. So obviously I had to finish the bite I was having, plus have a few extras, because I went for a chocolate eclair donut. As the name suggests, chocolate eclair on a donut. Lovely. And it's delicious.
Oh.
No, I missed my mouth. How did I miss it?
Oh. Right. Well, she's there smashing on her Charlie's donuts. I'm going to dive into my Greg's donuts. Rude not to, not gluten free, so don't want to take someone else's opportunity to eat some gluten free donuts from Charlie's.
Yeah, because someone had taken all the jam donuts. Unbelievable, Jeff.
Well, you don't want to sit here and watch me eat, so. Well guys, that was our on the hunt for gluten-free donuts, and I think we can say Zoe was rather pleased. She was disappointed that there wasn't any jam donuts, because that is her favourite thing to have when she goes to Charlie's. There he is. Any last words to say to Charlie?
I'll be back.
Do more jam donuts.
Charlie's would never disappoint. Who am I kidding? But I really do love a jam. Just a plain jam donut. The simple ones, always the best. But the chocolate eclair was pretty delish. Belly's full, and off we go.
Right, it's Wham. We need to get some petrol, and then we're going to go enjoy the rest of our day. Well guys, thank you very much for watching. Remember, all the information that you'll need to find Charlie's will be in the description box below. Give it a thumbs up, more importantly subscribe to the channel. We've got plenty more videos coming. And don't forget, if you want to see our little camping video from this time, head on over to the channel and you'll see it there. Well, thank you very much, nothing else to say. Until next one, ride safe.
Oh, I thought you were going to let me ride safe.
Well, go on then, you do the other part of the outro and I'll just add that in.
All that's left to say is thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Oh, please, Matthew, let me do the outro. The problem is,
I want to do the outro. Okay, your turn.
I'm just not very good at riding and speaking or thinking about anything else, really. Okay.
You've got this.
All that's left to say is thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you'll be able to then catch our full camping video on the channel as well. In the meantime, ride safe. Nailed it.
Good job. Is your camera recording this time? Did you press record, didn't you?
Yeah, you did.
Did I?
Yes, you did, didn't you?
I don't know. Look in the mirror. See the red dot?
Yeah, it's not flashing or anything. Should it be flashing?
Oh, it should be. Yeah.
Hey, God, this whole filming stuff is...
One day, I will make an vlogger out of you.